Hey there, I wanted to just talk to you today about a lead generation idea that's helped a ton of small businesses find more work. This is going to your existing and past customers and asking them to give you a review on Google. So if you're not currently asking customers for reviews on Google, this is going to be a gold mine for your business. It's going to do several things for you. First, you can go back through your old customers and make contact with them. So if you've been in business for 5 years, you can go back to some of those customers that were extremely happy with you, check in with them, see if they're still extremely happy. If they are, you can ask them to do a review for you on Google. Now, if you have a Google business profile, most likely you'll know that you are able to go and get a link right off from that Google business profile, and you can use that link to share with people via email or text or however is convenient for you. And you can share that link, they can click on it and then go and give you a review. And by them giving a review, it helps Google recognize that you're a legitimate business. Also, it helps Google recognize that you're in business and that customers are doing business with you, and it helps Google get feedback from third-party sources that you are a good quality company. Additionally, having those reviews rolling in helps Google to want to move you up in those search results for the local service that you provide. So going out, getting those reviews, critical. How you do it, you're just going to compile that list of past customers. You're going to start reaching out to some of the ones that were most happy with your service. And then once you've made it through that backlog of customers, you also need to work with those existing customers that you're now working with or will be working with in the future. So you want to make sure that you set up a really good process. Depending on how your workflow goes, typically it's going to be one of three ways. You're either going to email the customer, you're going to interact with them via text or phone call, or at the conclusion of the service, you can ask them in person if they'd be willing to give you a review. Or it may be a combination of those. But figure out a good process that works for your company so that each time you have a happy customer at the end of the service, you're asking them to give you a review. Doing this is going to boost you again in the search results, helping you find more customers.